Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Art of Trading. I'm Kumar here. We'll go check the Nifty key levels for 8th of September. That is Tuesday tomorrow. So before that, we'll go check the performance of Nifty, which I had on Nifty key level prediction, which I had posted in my video. In the couple of days back. So this is the screenshot of that video which I had posted. So I had given two sell cases and one buy level, that is buy above 11,320, sell below 11,480. Okay, let's check out what happened today in Nifty. So this is the live chart of Nifty. So as you can see here, Nifty opened up around 11,350. So okay, 11,350 and my buy was above 11,320. Okay, and sell was above 11,480. So the low made was 11,260. So one sell was 11,480, but it didn't reach that level. The high made was 11,390. So another sell was below 11,300. Okay, 11,300. So as you can see here, when Nifty went below 11,300, it made a low of 11,266, that is 40 points profit. Okay, so there was nothing much in market today. As you can see here, Nifty opened up around 30-40 points, I think, gap down, and from there it started coming down, and from there, as you can see here, it was trading in almost sideways. Okay, so unless in the last, that is after 215, Nifty fell, and from there again Nifty reversed and closed around 11,380. So as my expectation, Nifty had to fall huge today, but I think this is a fake move by Nifty. Let's see tomorrow what happens, because it made bullish. It never gave a chance for sellers today, in spite of being negative in the last couple of days. So let's see tomorrow what happens. So this is the key level for tomorrow, that is 8th of September. So as you can see, there is only one buy level and there are two buy sell levels for Nifty. The one is today Nifty closed around 11,380 in positive. So anything above 11,400 you can buy Nifty up to a target of 11,450 and 11,500. Okay, so on the sell side, I have given two cases. In the first case, Nifty you can sell below 11,400. Below 11,400, let's say tomorrow if Nifty opens bit gap up or 20-30 points gap up, or Nifty opens near the yesterday traded price itself, if Nifty couldn't break this today's high, so if it will not break today's high and if it is reversing from this point, so look out for any confirmations, price action confirmation, and you can short Nifty. Okay, once it is confirmed. Okay, if it once it is confirmed that is it is reversible, then you can short Nifty below 11,400 up to a target of 11,350 and 11,300. Okay, that is the first sell case. And in the second sell level, I've given sell below 11,260, that is today's low. Nifty today made a low of 11,260 around. So tomorrow, let's say that if there is any gap down, okay, or and gap down near 11,260, on 11,260, wait for few candles to form. Okay, don't go and short. Okay, because there will be cases where again Nifty may reverse from this. It may open gap down at this point and again it may reverse from this point. Okay, so wait for Nifty to form few candles. Any if you see any price action reversible candles from there on the buy side, you can buy, or else if it opens below and if it breaks below 11,260, you can short Nifty. Okay, below 11,260 for a target of 11,200 and 11,150. Okay, still I am bearish on Nifty. Let's see what happens tomorrow. If it is going on the buy side, let's wait and watch till how till what level Nifty may go. So I am hoping for a negative day tomorrow as well. Let's see. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow. Trade accordingly. Don't jump into the trade. Only trade this level with proper confirmations. Okay, proper price action confirmations, reversible confirmations. If you get, then only sell or buy on this. levels. Okay, so to learn all those levels, price action strategies, you can join my paid classes which I conduct every weekends. For more details, you can contact, or you can WhatsApp me on that. Okay, and for friends who want to just join my free who want to just check out my accuracy, my strategies, my screenshot of my calls which I provide on my free Telegram channel, they can join my Telegram channel also. For more such videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel also. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day, bye.